We can use the mesh nebulizer anytime and anywhere. And recently I suffered from a little health problem, and this mesh nebulizer will sold out. It's very uneasy for us to buy it. All the nebulizer kit is in the color box with the machine, so we can do the mesh nebulizer and use it at home, so we can avoid the cross infection. When we use it, it has a very low noise, and you can see it's really quiet. You can even use it on your baby while he's asleep. I hope I won't have to use it, but when I do, it's really practical.